Listen, this reckless habit will ruin your forklift career and might even take your coworkers' lives. It's driving a fully loaded forklift moving forward. Seriously, some lucky folks might catch your stupidity in time and curse you out after dodging disaster. But in the chaos of noisy warehouses and distribution centers, most people aren't that lucky. Some don't even get a chance to scream for help before being buried under the load. That's why every warehouse worker needs to treat every moving forklift like a ticking time bomb and never blindly trust the operator. If you care about your own life, you can't afford to. Now, here's the kicker. OSHA flat out bans moving forward while fully loaded. And yet, it happens every single day, all over the world. Forklift drivers risk jail, and their employers face huge fines and costly lawsuits. So, as a forklift safety manager, how do you stop these accidents? Or, as a worker dealing with forklifts every day, how do you keep yourself safe? One effective solution is the use of forward motion restrictors. When the operator's forward vision is blocked, this device disables the forklift's ability to move forward, requiring it to reverse instead, instantly preventing potential disasters. Otherwise, just watch the footage. Follow us to learn more about forklift safety.